Find the question is find the square root. Find the square root by prime factorization method. By prime factorization method. Prime factorization method we done in the previous exercise. In the first exercise we done prime factorization method. We have to find square root. What is the meaning of square root? Firstly, what is the meaning of square root? As we know square is, for example, we have a number 2. What is the square of 2? Square means power 2. What is the term 2 square? 2 square is 4. 2 multiply 2 is 4. If we talk about square root, symbol of this is square root is this. We have to find square root of 4. Square root of 4. 4 as it is. 4 as it is. This means this root means power 1 by 2. This root means power 1 by 2. And to 4 can we write 2 multiply 2? 2 multiply 2 power 1 by 2. How many times 2 came? 2 came 2 times. Multiply this 1 by 2. 2 cancel. Answer is 2. Answer is 2. Means square root of 4 is 2. Means square root of 9 is 3. Means square root of 16 is 4. Why it is? Let us take, this is 4 square. 16 is a 4 square. Can we write 16 to 4 square? Yes, we can write. Upside square root, we written here square root. This square cancelled with the root and we got answer 4. Clear? If we talk about root 36, can we write to 36 6 square? Yes, we can write upside square. This square is cancelled with root and we got answer 6. Clear? Now we have to find the square root of any number by prime factorization method. How can we find square root by prime factorization method? How can we find? Suppose we have a number 144. Suppose we have a number 144. Let us solve by prime factorization method. Find the square root of 144 by prime factorization method. First start from 2. Why we can start from 2? Because the unit digit is 4 and as we know 4 is an even number and it's going on 2 table. It's divisible by 2. So we start from 2 firstly. Always starts from smallest number. Now 1 is not going. We can take 2 digits. 2 sevens are 14. 2 twos are 4. Answer is 72. Answer is 72. Now again, because unit digit is 2, it's going on 2 table. It's divisible by 2. Now 2 threes are 6 and 2 sixes are 12. Now 2 ones are 2, 2 eights are 16. Now 2 nines are, now 9 is not going on 2 table as we know, because this is odd number. Let us check for 3. As we know now 3 threes are 9, 3 ones are 3. Clear? Now write here all the factors. How many times 2 came? 2 came 3 times. Sorry, 4 times. 2 came 4 times and 3 came 2 times. 3 multiply 3. Clear? Here what we have to find? Square root of 144. Square root of 144 by prime factorization. This is the value of 144. This is the value of 144. Square root means this value of square root. This is the symbol square root. Write all the factors which we found by the prime factorization. Clear? Now square root of 2, first 2 right here, 2 square, multiply 2 square, multiply 3 square. Clear? Separate these terms. 2 square multiply 2 square multiply 3 square. Now square cancelled, square cancelled, square cancelled. 2 multiply 2 multiply 3. 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12. Answer is 12. Means square root of 144 is 12. Means square root of 144 is 12. This is the method how you can solve by prime factorization method. Simply, if you want to write, if this question will come in 1 mark or in 0.5, suppose, how you can write simply as a trick, we want square root. Square root means from two factors we take one out. This is 2. From these two we take one out. From these two we take one out. And from these two we take one out. 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12. Answer is 12. Clear to all of you?